I'm Patrice from
Ah,
Well
nice
Mag. Wow.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Like the look, like the outfit.
Thank you very much. So,
Yeah.
the exclusive today, what are you giving us? Are you gonna
Well, it's a Mac and Tilda's promotion, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Mac and Tilda's, you know what I mean?
tell
Movie
the
star.
audience? Don't tell me. Tell the audience.
No, because we're talking. They're
Oh,
listening.
okay. Yes, but
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Tell the audience
Okay,
as well.
Maca, Tilda's, when it comes to Maca and Tilda's promotion, movie star Johnny, you know what I mean? We're always loyal to the promotional team, you know what I mean? In terms of run around, flyers, you know what I mean? In terms of MC, DJ, it's an all-purpose thing, you know what I mean? But tonight is a special occasion. It's Bank Holiday Monday in London, and we have Spice. What more could you ask for?
Exactly. Everyone's here to support Spice and all the
Yeah.
other artists. Are there any other artists that you're keen to see tonight?
You know what I mean? The UK artists them right now are them best right now, you know what I mean?
Wow.
I'm just want to see the UK artists and just put out them best right now, because right now, reggae music in the UK right now, the selector them are going in bag of things, the artists them big up Gapper and Stylo G, the younger generation them. It's a mad thing right now, so
Wow.
we don't support all of the UK
Yeah.
artists.
Any
We don't
one
have-
artist, anyone
Nobody,
that you're looking
no.
out for at the moment?
As a musician,
Orthodox, Road Classic, I don't know. Little Keisha, only for UK artists. If you got talk, I only for
you have worked hard too
sport.
much.
All our UK artists, and no bless up on yourself. I'm glad it's cigar. I don't know Johnny. Spice, you have the spice. And no, glad it's cigar.
See, Lady Gangster saying, we support all of the artists them. Tonight we just want to see all of the artists.
Nice. That's what we want to see on World
Yeah,
Map.
yeah, yeah.
We love that.
You can see the
exclusive.
people on my road,
Yeah,
look for
we see
outside.
them.
With the outside, see the queue there. What time now? Now you know some watch till I say America time, because I just come off a tour, Jamaica, just come from New York, just come from Jamaica, so I still I say New York time.
Wow.
But
So you
yeah.
got some jet lag going on now?
no, it's not jet lag, because that's something we use, you know what I mean? Like every month we fly a different
Nice.
country, so my body get, you know,
Used to
say,
it.
yeah,
Nice.
a part of the work, you know what I mean?
Nice. Well, enjoy tonight.
Yeah.
See all the artists. Spice will be here shortly, and enjoy.
And I'll do my
tonight.
best. I got my laptop, so
Nice.
you know what I mean. This is right now. It's Johnny right now. When I run the sound system, then I get movie star Johnny. Me easy right now. I drink a Red Bull. When I go on the sound, Rosie B one son. I got to play them wicked tonight. Spice. Why you back it up on me?
Well, exclusive. I love that. Well, sorry.